Hello everybody, Miss Mask Monday. Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here, and welcome to my channel. And happy Mask Monday. Yes, today is Monday, and we have a little sunshine here, but we kind of dipped off into some cool weather again. So you just never know what, I guess, spring or early spring is going to bring. We even had almost like what I'd call like a frost almost. I think it was Sunday morning. Might have been Saturday. I think it was Sunday morning. But anyways, I'm going to do my mask here. I opened up my Walmart box and shared that with you guys. And inside there was a Vitamasque Electrolyte Watermelon Hydra mask. So I think I'm going to do this mask today. So we're going to get this started. I don't have a lot to talk about today. I will tell you that the Dollar Tree train is still active, and it's good through, oh, this smells like watermelon, and it's good through March 17th. So you have opportunity. If you haven't watched it yet and you want to be a part of the giveaways, be sure and go over and check that out. We have lots of channels. There's 13 altogether. And we have a playlist, but in that collaboration, we have Mary Catherine Loves Cats. We have Reviews with Sue. We have Tracy and Chloe Unboxing, Beauty and More. We have Katie's Corner of the World. We have Favorites with Laura. We have Hey Everybody. We have Blessed GMP, that's Pat. We have Single Mom Review, that's Sherry. We have Laura Wooten. We have Faye Blatcher. We have Lori's Life. Things with Arlene. And myself, of course. So I think I have all them posted there. And of course, they're all in the playlist. And the videos are only about, 10 to 12 minutes. A couple of them might be 13 or 14 minutes, and some of them may be even less than 10. But we do that so that you can have a chance to go watch them without being an extra long video. And we show you the items that we found at the Dollar Tree, and we picked out Easter and spring items. So be sure and go check that out and be a part of it. And if you're new to the channels, be sure to watch the videos all the way through and then hit subscribe if you want to become publicly subscribed, to enter and put your comment in, and just follow the rules. It's just very important when you're a new subscriber to make sure that you're watching the video for a little bit. If you kind of come in and just hit like, hit subscribe, make a quick comment and leave, sometimes YouTube does not see that as an official subscriber, like if you're really wanting to subscribe. So you may want to go back and check your subscription if you entered that and you feel that you're entered into the giveaway because you went and followed all the keywords and all the rules by commenting on all the videos. You may want to go back and double check your subscriptions. And even if you've been subscribed to one of us for a long time, because I can tell you that Laura Wooten channel went over to see Arlene's video for the Dollar Tree train because we support each other and watch our channels, and she was unsubscribed to Arlene, and she has known Arlene longer than I have and been subscribed to Arlene. And so of course she just resubscribed, but she had no clue as to why YouTube unsubscribed her. So YouTube unsubscribes you sometimes and you don't even realize it till you happen to go to the channel. And then the other thing I want to mention real quick is you may have noticed that my numbers have climbed really quickly over the weekend, and they did. I'm real happy about it, but I don't know if they're going to stick. And I hope that they are, but I don't know, and I'm excited. I may not sound excited, but that's because when we did our collaboration, we all got like, I don't know, maybe 100 or more new subscribers, and we had them for like a day, And then like a couple days after the collaboration and the views, YouTube started just taking them all away. And we didn't even know what was happening. I mean, everybody was just losing subscribers left and right. And they ended up taking all the subscribers away. And I think some of them have recovered some. And then I don't know what happened with my channel, but Friday night, late, I noticed that I gained about 20 more back. And I just figured YouTube was, going through there and just making sure that if they were real, and then they put them back. Well, I woke up the next morning and it was 100 or more added back into my channel. And I thought, okay, well, and so I go and check with other guys that are in the collaboration, and theirs weren't put back. So I don't know what's going on. I don't know why my channel jumped up now over 500, I think. It says it's over 3K. I'll believe it when I keep it. I see it, but I don't know if it's really real. So I'm just kind of just waiting to see, because I don't understand it. I don't understand why all of a sudden it started going up. And like I got up Sunday morning and it was up another 200. And then this morning when I got up, I actually got a message from Mary Catherine that said it was over 3K, and I didn't even know it yet because I had not checked it. And tell you the truth, I've been trying to be on the down low with it because I don't understand it. I don't know why it's happened, but we'll just see. I'm very thankful and I appreciate all of you. I really do. And I just don't know why it's happening, and it may sound silly, but I just don't understand it. It doesn't make any sense to me. And so anyways, that's what's going on with me today as far as my channel goes. Now the other thing that I have and I want to share with you guys is some friend mail. And I want to tell you, this mask feels really good, and it does have like a scent of watermelon. So that is really nice. And I did get some friend mail, and she's got Happy Mail on there. It's my little sticker. And this card is from a new channel that's been going on here. And let's find out what she has to say. He is risen. And then she's got Jackie and Family 2024, celebrating the glory of Easter story and wishing you hope and joy that lasts all year long. Happy Easter. I hope you have a blessed year and months to come. Love, Erlene. Isn't that so sweet? And she's got a couple of stickers in there. And Erlene is a new channel, and she's got about 100 subscribers right now, and she's looking for more because she's actively trying to grow her channel. And she's having a giveaway for every 25 subscribers that she receives on her channel. So she's having a lot of giveaways, and just very sweet, down to earth. She shows a lot of unboxing. She does a lot of palettes. If you like makeup and stuff like that, you might want to see the palettes that she has gotten. And of course she does other unboxings of different kinds of unboxings and hauls. And then she's also got a card in here that says, since then you have been raised with Christ. Set your hearts on things above where Christ is, seated at the right hand of God. Set your minds on things above, not on earthly things. Colossians 3:1-2. So that's very sweet. And on the other side it says, set your minds on things above, not on earthly things. Colossians 3:2. So very, very nice. Thank you, Erlene. That's really sweet. She even coordinated it with some purple flower and bunny with gold on the inside. Very, very sweet. And Erlene, I wish you a happy Easter as well to your family, and for the year to come, lots of joy and love. That is just wonderful. Thank you for thinking of our family. Now the next thing I have, oh, and if you're not subscribed to Erlene, please go over and, check her out and subscribe and let her know Miss Jackie sent you over. Now I have some more friend mail from Plush Bat Fan. Came in this box right here. And we're going to check out and see what he has sent. And it's actually taped up really good. I may have to go in from the bottom. Might have better chance getting it open. Think so. So how are y'all? Did y'all have a good weekend? Was the weather good where you live? Overall, we had some rain, I guess, early on the weekend. And then we had some sunshine, but it was cooler, a lot cooler. And I think the rain is what brought in the stormy weather, brought in the cold weather. And we got down to to a frost. And I want to say that was early Sunday morning. Okay, well, we have our note right here. And I kind of tore it just a little bit, but I think I can still read it. It says, "Greetings. Inside this package is a soap dish and 3 small jars. Bonus item, Hello Kitty invitational card. We have 35 Hello Kitty watches. Most of these watches have Christmas color flashing lights, no music or sound. We have short videos of different Hello Kitty flashing light combinations on our channel. Unfortunately, the gas prices are beginning to increase, and whenever we hear on the news about gas price hikes, we'll search for ridiculously high gas prices. The highest price we discovered in our local area is $5.99 a gallon for regular. Have a merry month of March," and this was dated February 29th, 24. So that's my little note from Plush Bat Fan. If you don't know Plush Bat Fan, you just learned that he has Hello Kitty watches. Those are on his community tab, and he has some shorts with the watches. He also collects plushes, the little Hello Kitty plushes, and he has gaming on his channel. Real cute little games of math, subtraction, addition, multiplication, just different things like that, about 3 to 4 minutes. Got some nice little music with it, and you should go check it out. And this is my invitational card. It's a Hello Kitty. Let's party. Isn't that cute? Oh yeah, very, very cute. And then it's blank on the inside. You're invited to a celebration. And then of course you'd have the date and time on there. That's just so cute. Thank you very much. I love the Hello Kitty. And then on the inside here we have a box. Inside a box. And this must be the soap dish he was talking about. We have a soap dish. It's just like this. Very nice. And then we have 3 glasses. And I want to assume that it goes with this. And like you can put this on here on top for like your toothbrush. And maybe your toothpaste can go here and then your toothbrush. So that's very nice. And there's 3 of them. Let's see if they're all the same. Nope, this one here has a top on it, like if you're going to have let me see here. Like if you're going to have a lotion bottle. Well, that's exactly what it is. And it has the little spout here that we put back up in here. And then we would set this down in here, fill this up with either soap or lotion, and then we have a dispenser. Of course, I have to take it all apart here to get it together, but it is made of I don't know if this is glass or like real thick acrylic, I think it is. So then we would set that on here, and then we would have a pump here to pump out our lotion or our soap. So that's very, very nice. And then this here is a glass for rinsing out your mouth. I'm sure that's what that's meant for. So very nice. A little set of 3. It's actually a soap set. A bathroom set is what it looks like to me. And you've got your soap, you've got your hand lotion, and or if you want to put more soap in there. You've got your toothbrush and toothpaste holder to all match up. And then you have your glass for swishing out your mouth or your mouthwash. And that was very, very nice. Thank you. What a nice gift. Yes. I just never know what he's going to send. So I thank you very much. And it's about time to take my mask off. I don't know how long I've had it on. Well, about 15 minutes. So let's go ahead and remove this mask. This was the mask from the Walmart box. I just got my Walmart box and I got version number 2. I've seen version number 5, and I've heard that there's a version 10 from a new subscriber, and I can't think of her name right now. But I'm going to go over and check that out and see what version 10 is. I'm not even sure how many versions they have, so I was surprised. I think I've heard that there's a version 4. Well, there has to be a version 1 through 10, apparently, at least. So let me know what version you get. And be sure and check out the Dollar Tree train if you haven't already. Like I said, that runs for 1 more week. And anytime we're doing collabs, it's a good idea, if you're newly subscribing to someone, to watch the complete video and then subscribe to make sure your subscription sticks. And then as far as subscriptions go, we all appreciate you watching our videos, commenting on them, and we love that you enter the giveaways. We do that as an appreciation of our subscribers and a way to thank you back, and we really appreciate each and every one of you. And we have fun doing the Dollar Tree train, so it's fun for us to go and shop and bring things. And then it's amazing to me that we only have a few items sometimes that are alike. I think one time we only had one item that was one, that 2 people might have got that was alike. So you can definitely find different things, and everybody has different ideas too for the Dollar Tree train. So anyways, be sure and check that out. I'll have that listed down in my description if you haven't had a chance to see it and or enter. And be sure and go check out all the channels, all the creators in our Dollar Tree train collab. Like I said, we have a lot of fun with it. Oh, the mask feels really nice. So I would have to tell you guys that the Vitamasque, which I already knew Vitamasque was a good brand, but this is the Electrolyte Watermelon Hydration Mask, and it says it's made with watermelon extract, electrolytes, and multimolecular hyaluronic acid. So this feels really, really good. I would recommend this mask, and I'm glad I got it in my Walmart bag. And as far as Mask Monday, this is all I have today. I want to thank Erling for my beautiful card. He is risen. That is very sweet. And I wish you a happy Easter, and I thank you. And again, if you have not checked out Arlene, go over and check out her channel. And please go over and check out Plush Bat Fan. That's Dream Big Productions, Plush Bat Fan. And he has a gaming channel. Hop on over there and subscribe to him, and let them know that Miss Jackie sent you. But as for today and Mask Monday, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.